Welcome to the Baruch Center for Teaching and Learning's Teach Online Course Prep Guide. This guide is filled with recipes meant to give instructors new to teaching online a process for cooking up a course in 4 weeks. Whether you're designing a course for the first time or adapting to an older one, this guide offers you some great food for thought. For every week of the guide, we list 3 key ingredients that'll be useful in prepping your course. Plus, we've created a Let's Cook Together section with more information about workshops and other opportunities to engage with our staff as you begin your work. You may also schedule a one-on-one consultation where you can talk with us about your course prep. And each week, you'll find additional helpful materials in the More to Chew On section. You can consider cooking with all 4 weeks of the guide at the same time, or take bite-sized steps by following along with us week to week. We know that our faculty prepare to teach in different contexts, so consider the 4-week layout as a suggested timeline to get you rolling. The first week of the guide asks you to think about your learning goals and what you want your students to know by the end of the course. You'll have a chance to begin building a structure for your curriculum that utilizes a combination of synchronous and asynchronous teaching modes. In the second week, you'll think about your course platform. Whether you use blogs at Baruch, Blackboard, or something else, during this week you should think about how you can design your course to maximize accessibility. The third week looks at student engagement. In that week, we'll recommend that you think about how to create community in your online course. You'll also look at your policies to make sure that they make sense for the online environment. In the final week, you'll look back at the course you've built so far from the perspective of a student. We'll recommend you take some time to review your design with compassion, flexibility, and empathy for your students and for yourself. You'll go over some specific strategies for how to communicate with students in ways that show them your human side, and that helps them show theirs to you. At any point along the way, you're welcome to make an appointment with us. You can do this by visiting the CTL website and clicking on this link, the one that says Appointments. You can also see our workshops and events at the top of the page by clicking on the Events and Upcoming Events link. If you have any questions about the Teach Online Prep Guide, check out the FAQ site to see if there's an answer there. You can access the FAQ by clicking this button at the bottom of the main page on the guide. We're glad you're here with us, and we hope that this 4-week guide will add some steam to your course. From all of us at the Baruch Center for Teaching and Learning, thanks, and we'll see you in week 1.